Well, hey there everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple,
live free.
And here we are today in Hickory's Park in Owego, New York, and we've come up here for our first ever meet and greet.
Yes, yes.
And we're really excited. We have a small group coming, but they seem to be really excited about being here, and we're very excited about meeting everybody.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it an awful lot. Absolutely.
Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Can I have everybody's attention?
Yeah. Isn't he handsome?
I love attention, thanks. This is our first ever meetup, and I want to really thank every one of you for being here. It's small, but everybody is excited to be here, I can tell, and we're just excited to be able to meet subscribers other than just running into them in an airport someplace. So we're very glad you're here. We were a little concerned about the weather. We would have liked to have done it earlier, like in September, but our entire month was booked with travel, so this was the best we could do. Actually, when we went to Watkins Glen 6 weeks ago, we stopped here on the way home to book, find out about booking this, so that's how it worked out. So anyway, we're very glad that you are all here.
It's gluten-free and it's low carb. It does have almonds, so if anyone has a nut allergy, don't eat it.
It's bread.
It's bread. It's yeast. It's almond flour, flaxseed, egg, psyllium husk, and salt and yeast, and just a drop of molasses.
Oh, how nice. I'm so thrilled. More people to hug. This is great, guys. It's the first time we've ever really done something like this. That's just really fun.
Because he wasn't going to try to, and Mike wasn't about to go fighting his way in there anyway for a meeting, so he just went back to Philadelphia. So
You guys doing okay
That's as
over
close as
there?
we
I'm
got.
glad you're enjoying the sun.
everybody knows where they were.
So the group that we had here, like I said, was actually kind of smaller than we expected, but it was great because that gave us plenty of interaction with individual people. We could just really sit down and talk. We had, besides us, there were 10 people here.
Yeah, it was a really nice sized group because we really enjoyed visiting and talking, and sometimes everybody was talking and sometimes the men were off somewhere and the women were having a good chat.
Right.
And then just some nice refreshments everybody brought, and it was in good food, and it was nice.
And even with a small group like that, Owego is here in south central New York, not far from Binghamton, and we had somebody that came in from Massachusetts around the Boston area, and somebody that came in from Ohio.
Yeah.
And both of those were ones that were RVers, by the way, and they camped here for the weekend in the park.
I think there was 4 other groups, couples or whatever, besides us, that were actually in an RV here.
There were 3 others.
3 others.
Yeah.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah, 3.
So I had these big plans of filming the whole thing so that you can see everybody, and see all the festivities, and it was such a small group and we just had so much fun just talking together that somehow the camera just seemed intrusive.
Yeah, we kind of didn't want to just sort of suddenly set up a situation where we were interviewing people or something like that. We were just having a good time getting to know each other.
Right.
And there was, some of the people that were a little shy about being on camera anyway. So, that we're here to meet people. So
we try to film as much as we can, but sometimes you just got to live your life.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry we didn't have more for you to see, but it was mostly just us sitting there getting to know each other, and we didn't have a whole lot of big games and all that kind of stuff.
No,
we just enjoyed the fellowship around a good potluck meal and
talked a lot.
Yeah. And it was thoroughly enjoyable. Everyone that was here, from what I can tell, had a great time.
Yeah, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Yep.
Not bad for a city park, huh? Hickory's Park, City Park of Owego, New York. This is just the RV section. So there were actually 3 other couples that came and spent the weekend in their RVs. One came from Boston area, and one came from Ohio, and one came from more New York area here. But one of them has a very unique trailer. I've never seen anything quite like it. So he's packing up this morning to go. So this is the morning after the event, and he is not really comfortable speaking on camera, which is fine. A lot of people don't like to do that, but he has graciously allowed me to show you his trailer and show you how it packs up. It's really unique. I love it. I've never seen anything quite like it. From the outside, at first glance, it looks just like a pop-up, and then you realize as you get closer, it's all hard shell. There's no canvas. The beds that come out on the sides are all hard. There's no canvas there. Let's take a look at the inside and see what it looks like in there. So on the inside here, you can see he's already started packing up. He's got stuff packed down here and stuff, but it looks just like the inside of a pop-up. There's a bed there. This is a dinette right here. Nice kitchen. There's another bed in the back. There's a full bathroom in here. And all these walls actually, see this? These walls actually fold down. And some of the cabinets like this, the cabinets all fold down. Really nifty thing. So this weighs about 3,000 pounds, and it can easily be towed behind a mid-sized car. So now he starts tearing down from the inside. Notice the bathroom walls are all hard. They're not canvas. Now he had told me that there was an emergency switch inside, and as soon as you start to take the walls down, it cuts off all the power in the entire place and all the lights go out. So after he finished inside, he went to the outside and folded down the rest of it. So I was out there and very excited to show it to you, and I pushed the record button on the camera and I videoed the entire thing of how he folds this thing up to take off. And then when I got home and I started editing and I put all the clips into the computer, I discovered I didn't have that clip of him folding it up. Apparently when I pushed the record button, it didn't push. So I'm pointing the camera at everything and not recording anything. I was so upset. So I really wanted to show it to you, so I went to the Trail Manor website and I found this clip, the demonstration. Now this is set up rather than tear down, but just so that you can see how it works, because it's really amazing. It's all spring loaded and it comes up very easily. So after he pulls up the hard shell roof cover over the bed, he goes underneath and he slides out the bed platform that has the mattress on top of it. And then you can see that this cabinet is hinged and it comes up from the floor and sits on the counter. And then he comes over and brings up the walls, the hard walls for the bathroom. So now he's all packed up and ready for the road.
one of the things that was really sweet is one of the ladies, thank you, Carolyn, brought us a little gift. And I'll let you see this. Anyway, it says, "Home is where the cat is." And that is going to look, it looks really cute beside my little like plaque board that I got in Branson that says, "This is our happily ever after." So we appreciate that. It's going to be fun to put it up. And it's little, so it'll fit into our little space. Mm-hmm. So she lives around here and invited us to church for this Sunday, and we went this morning.
Right.
It was a very nice service. Thank you to that really lovely church. Yep. It's a Baptist church in the area here, and we enjoyed the service. So thank you, Carolyn and Carl, and appreciated that very much.
So we've had a great weekend. We actually decided to stay here another day. This is Sunday morning. We were going to go home today, but on the way up here, we thought, why? So we're staying another day. Everybody else is gone now. It's just us here left, and we'll be heading home tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
So
it's nice to have the day here.
Yeah, we really love this park. We really love this place.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So anyway, we didn't cover, huge amount of coverage of the event, but just to let you know that it happened. It was great. And so we will probably be doing more of these in the future.
Yes.
We can't promise when or where, but this was our first one, and I was a little nervous about it, actually. Huh. But it went quite well, so we should be doing more in the future.
Met some very, very nice people.
Yep.
So for all of you that came, and I'm sure are going to watch this, thank you for coming, and it was awesome to get to hang out with you and get to meet you.
We really appreciated every one of you that was here.
Yes. Alrighty.
Okay, thanks everybody.
Alrighty, live simple.
Live free. Be blessed.
Alright, love you guys. We will see you soon.
Alright.